Hello guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am sharing with you this DIY remedy for edges, hair fall and scalp hair health. So yeah, if you keep watching you will get to know what it is that you can use if you're suffering from any of these hair issues. So in today's video we are going to be using black seeds or black cumin or Kalonji seeds, that's what they call them. These are a very ancient herb that is used for many things. It is used to cure many diseases, if you didn't know that. So you can just type into Google about Kalonji seeds and you will find the many benefits that these seeds have. So you actually need a blender for this process, but I didn't have a blender, so I was just using this mini thing to try and grind them. But obviously these are very strong and it's not going to work. So for just me to show you what you need to do, I just use that thing, but you actually need to blend the seeds in order for them to be effective. So I transferred them into a glass cup, not bottle, and then I added my jojoba oil into it. I think I added like a half a cup or quarter of a cup, and then I added in some castor oil as well. I think I added in the castor oil first and then I added in the jojoba oil in the mixture. And we know both of these oils are very powerful oils for thickening your hair, growing your hair, helping with regenerating good scalp condition. Kalonji seeds, let me tell you some of the benefits. Kalonji will help you solve your hair fall problem. Hair fall happens primarily due to poor scalp health. Damaged follicles are unable to grip the hair strand, and that's why major hair loss is witnessed. Black cumin or Kalonji is used worldwide for dermatological purposes, especially for hair oils, and there's a good reason for that. According to a study published in the Journal of Tropical Medicine, it nourishes the hair follicles so that they can grip the hair better, which results in less hair fall. Kalonji help you deal with dandruff as well. Dandruff is not just a dry scalp problem, but people with oily skin also deal with dandruff. In fact, people with an oily scalp might just have an even worse experience because the oil tends to trap more dust. It makes your scalp itchy, which further leads to rashes, minor wounds. But according to the above study, Kalonji has antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing effects. So once I was done, I did show you the one that I had made previously, because you actually need to let this sit and marinate for a few weeks in the sun. So the one that I'm pouring in is the one that I had made previously. So I pour it into a bottle just to make it accessible, better to use onto my hair, so I can show you guys how I usually use the Kalonji seeds. So Kalonji seeds conditions your hair. When it comes to Kalonji, amino acid does the magic trick. Basically, it helps in sealing the moisture in your scalp and lets it stay healthy as well as properly conditioned. This means Kalonji can help you save big bucks by joining your pre-wash routine. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's currently in cornrows, and I am starting off by moisturizing my hair with my aloe tea. I will link the video up in the iCards for you guys to see if you want to see how I created or made this powerhouse moisture juice that I'm using on my hair. So yeah, I just spray my hair. I don't like to apply oil to dry hair because it just, to me, it doesn't make sense. So that's what I do, basically, making sure that I just get my hair a little bit damp, and yeah, making sure we are spraying that everywhere and just go in every strand, and then just massaging everything into my hair. So just because your hair is in cornrows, it doesn't mean you don't have to look after it. You still have to look after it. And then I move on with my rose growth hair oil infused hair growth oil, which I will also link in the icons and in the description box of how I created this oil as well. You can have the recipe. And so I just apply that onto my scalp. So I'm using that, and then just a few drops onto my scalp. We haven't got to the part where I'm using the Kalonji black seed oil yet. I'm just putting that into my hair, and then I just give myself a good rub in, a good massage. And then I grab my black seed oil that we made together, and then I am focusing that on my edges because that is my struggle area. So if you're trying to grow back your edges, make sure you are focusing that on your edges, and then just give yourself a good massage, a good 5 to 10 minutes massage. If you've got a scalp massager, that's even better. But using just your fingers is fine, as long as you're not using your nails and you're not rubbing your scalp and causing any more irritation. That's absolutely fine. So I just rub it in and give myself a good massage in there. And it's like, that's the best part of doing my hair. I just love the part where I have to give myself a massage. It's really important to get your blood flowing to your head, opening up the blood capillaries when you do this process, and it helps bring all the nutrients onto your hair, and therefore you get some more hair growth. And then I just added a little bit more of this rose hair growth infused oil onto the palm of my hands, just to moisturize the rest of my hair. That's pretty much all I do to use this oil, and just to moisturize my hair while it's in cornrows. This is pretty much my routine. And then after I'm done with that, I use the Main Choice moisture cream. This part is optional, you don't have to use this. I was just using that as a cream to seal in my moisture, the LOC method. And then that's pretty much it, and all I do is tie my hair with my silk satin scarf, and then that's it. I just go about my day. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever used black seed oil in your hair. What do you think of it? How do you like it? Would you try this recipe? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Until next time, bye for now. Bye.